Have you ever experienced waking up in the early hours when the world is still quiet and the only sound is your own breath? There's something almost magical about those moments between 3 a.m. and 5 a.m., a time revered in ancient Indian traditions as Brahma Muhurta, when the universe is said to be at its purest and most receptive state. If you find yourself awake during these hours, you're in a unique position to harness a powerful energy that can transform your entire day. Today, I'm going to share with you 3 simple yet transformative practices inspired by the wisdom of renowned Indian gurus like Sadhguru and Osho, so that you can make the most of these early moments and set a positive, intentional tone for everything that follows. Begin by taking a few deep, slow breaths and allow yourself to settle into the stillness of the morning. In these precious moments, the mind is naturally quieter and the distractions of the day have yet to intrude. Sadhguru often explains that during these early hours, our inner faculties are naturally more attuned to meditation and self-reflection. So as soon as you wake, find a comfortable spot where you won't be disturbed. Sit down, close your eyes, and let your attention gently rest on your breath. There is no need to force your mind to be blank. Instead, simply observe your thoughts as they drift by like clouds. Even a meditation session of 10 to 15 minutes can create a ripple of calm that carries you through the challenges of your day. By giving yourself this time to center your mind, you're not only honoring the ancient teachings of mindfulness, but also actively connecting with the deep well of inner peace that these hours offer. Once you've taken that time to quiet your mind, the next practice is to cultivate gratitude and set a clear intention for your day. Many Indian sages and spiritual teachers, including Osho, stress the immense power of gratitude in transforming our inner state. With the calm of the early morning still surrounding you, reach for a journal. Write down 3 things that you are genuinely grateful for, whether it's the fresh, cool air, the quiet beauty of the dawn, or the opportunity to start anew. As you write, allow yourself to fully feel the gratitude in your heart. This practice not only shifts your focus toward positivity, but also aligns your energy with the abundance of life. Alongside your gratitude, set a clear intention for the day. It could be a personal goal, a quality you wish to embody, or simply a commitment to approach every moment with mindfulness. The act of writing down your intentions creates a tangible roadmap for your day, anchoring your aspirations into the reality of your morning. The wisdom of Indian gurus teaches us that when our intentions are clearly defined and backed by heartfelt gratitude, we set the stage for the universe to support our journey. After nourishing your mind and spirit with meditation and gratitude, it's time to awaken your body with mindful movement. Indian traditions have long recognized that the body and mind are interconnected, and practices like yoga are essential for maintaining this harmony. Sadhguru frequently emphasizes that yoga is not just a physical exercise, but a way of aligning your entire being with the energy of creation. As you continue to enjoy the early calm, consider engaging in a series of gentle yoga postures or simple stretching exercises. Start with movements that honor the rising sun, perhaps a few rounds of the sun salutation, to gently activate your muscles, improve your circulation, and infuse your body with fresh energy. Let your movements be slow and deliberate, feeling each stretch and breath as a way to connect deeper with your physical self. As you move, imagine that you're channeling the pure, vibrant energy of the early morning into every cell of your body. This practice not only energizes you physically, but also deepens your awareness of the intricate balance between body, mind, and spirit. When you combine these 3 practices, quiet meditation, heartfelt gratitude, with clear intention and mindful movement. You're engaging in a holistic morning ritual that has the power to transform your entire day. Indian gurus like Sadhguru and Osho remind us that the early hours are a sacred time, a window of opportunity to align with the natural rhythms of the universe. By rising early and dedicating yourself to these practices, you're not merely starting your day, you're setting in motion a chain reaction of positive energy that can influence your thoughts, actions, and even your destiny. It's important to remember that the true magic of this morning routine lies in its consistency. Even if you begin with just a few minutes each day, over time, you will start to notice subtle yet significant shifts in your energy, clarity, and overall sense of well-being. Transformation doesn't always happen overnight. It's the result of small, deliberate steps taken consistently over time. Think of these early morning moments as an investment in yourself, a daily commitment to personal growth and inner peace. The teachings of Indian sages have long stressed that it is through such disciplined practices that one can truly tap into the immense potential lying dormant within. As you incorporate these practices into your daily life, you may also start to notice that your entire perspective begins to shift. The stillness of the early morning allows for a level of introspection and clarity that is hard to find later in the day when the noise of everyday life can cloud your vision. You might find that your decisions become more thoughtful, your creativity more vibrant, and your overall mood more balanced. There is a reason why so many spiritual traditions place such a high value on the hours before sunrise. It's during this time that the mind is most open and the spirit most receptive to the subtle energies of the universe. Imagine starting each day with a deep sense of calm, clarity, and purpose, a state where you feel fully aligned with yourself and the world around you. That is the promise of embracing the sacred hours between 3 a.m. and 5 a.m. By dedicating these moments to meditation, gratitude, and yoga, you're not just preparing for the day ahead, you're nurturing the very essence of who you are. The ancient wisdom of Indian gurus has always pointed to the power of these early hours, encouraging us to rise with the sun and greet the day with open hearts and minds. So if you ever find yourself awake during this magical time, don't rush back to sleep. Instead, seize the opportunity to nurture your body, mind, and spirit with these 3 transformative practices. Allow the serenity of the early morning to fill you with the sense of possibility and renewal. Embrace the quiet, let go of the worries of yesterday, and step confidently into a new day filled with promise and potential. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the sacred hours of the morning. If you found these insights helpful, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your own experiences in the comments below. How have these early morning practices transformed your life? Remember, the wisdom of ancient Indian gurus is always available to guide us if we only take the time to listen. Until next time, embrace the calm of the early morning, nurture your inner light, and let it shine brightly throughout your day. Namaste.